What's up guys, in this video I'll be going over several tricep exercise variations that you can perform on your sliding bench. The grips I'll be using in this video are the standard great flex grips, which are very similar to the total gym grips as well. I'll be doing 3 grip styles. Palms down is your standard, palms up is reverse, and I'll be turning the grip sideways as if I'm pulling on a rope for the 3rd grip style. An attachment I'm using is the dip bar attachment that comes standard with Great Flex, and Total Gym has a very similar one as well. If you have any questions, reach me in the comment section and be glad to answer them. Enjoy the video. Let's get started.